Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to make this beautiful snack, Nigerian snack called Chin Chin. It's so lovely and so yummy. So firstly, we're going to mix our dry ingredients, and for that we're going to need flour. But firstly, you need to sieve your flour. I always like sieving my flour. Okay, so you sieve your flour, and then you're going to add your butter. Now you're going to mix this together until everything is crumbly. Okay, you mix it together. Make sure you mix it until the butter is well incorporated with the flour, and then it's going to have a look like this. Then you're going to go in and add your sugar. You're going to add baking powder. You're going to add nutmeg, and you're also going to add salt. And then we're going to mix this together until everything is completely mixed well. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to crack 2 eggs, and then you're going to add milk. Now we whisk this together. Alright, when you're done whisking, you're now going to go ahead and introduce it into the dry ingredients. So from here, you're just going to mix together. Alright, mix everything together until a dough is formed. It should feel firm but soft enough to roll out. Okay, I know it's a bit sticky right now, but when you keep kneading it, everything is going to be properly together. You see that's the way it's gonna look when you keep kneading it. So it's all come together now. So we're just going to rest this for a while, maybe around 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, you're not resting it for it to rise because there's no yeast in there. You're just resting it so it can be a bit easier when you want to roll it out. Alright, so just cover this and then leave it to rest. So after 15 minutes, you now get ready to roll out. Firstly, you flour your countertop or your kitchen workplace, and then you're just going to roll the dough out. Okay, just roll it out, not too thin, okay, but not too big either. Don't worry about making it perfect. Okay, we want that rustic look. So you're just going to roll this out until it's perfectly rolled out. Alright, we're just now going to grab a knife, or if you have a pizza cutter, use your pizza cutter and start cutting your chin chin into small squares or rectangles. You can also try different shapes if you like. So that's me cutting it. Some of the shapes are bigger, some are smaller, but it's all okay. It's perfect. It's all very much okay. So now after cutting this, I'm just going to take some of it out. Alright, and then I floured it a little bit because it was a bit sticky, I know. So I separated some of it, make it easier. I don't want it to stick in the pan while frying, so I just separated some of it, and then I'm gonna place this when I finished in a bowl and get it ready for frying. That's it already. So now you're just going to heat up your vegetable oil in a deep pan in a deep pan over medium heat. The oil should be hot enough so that when you drop the chin chin, they sizzle just like that, okay? So just try to fry in small batches so that they don't stick together, and then you keep turning them until they're golden brown and crispy. Then it should take about 3 to 5 minutes per batch. Okay, when your chin chin is golden and crispy, take them out and place them on a paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Okay, then you let them cool completely before you start eating so they stay crunchy. And there you have it, homemade Nigerian chin chin. Crispy, crunchy, and totally delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more yummy recipes. Okay, now drop a comment below if you have ever made chin chin or if you want to see other Nigerian dishes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.